guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you Wig Studio One for sending me this piece to do a review on. Andrea also offers a support group. You can search it through Facebook. It's private and it is under Wig Studio One Wig and Toppers support group. We'd love to have y'all there. I wanted to show you what she looked like on a mannequin, and then I thought it'd be fun to put it on and see what it looks like on a human. So here she is. She's got those cute bangs. Love me some bangs. Those are Botox savers. If you can't afford Botox, you just throw a bang over it. She has an open wefted cap. Now the actual weft itself doesn't feel very stretchy, and maybe that's why they always fit me really well. I think they run small, and my head is 21 inches. She does not have an extended nape. She does have bra sliding adjusters to make her tighter. She does not have the velvet on the ear tabs. They are super thin, so anybody that's wearing glasses, these should be good. She is a double mono top, which means there are 2 layers instead of just the one. And then they normally just have a strip here that's like a silicone strip, but they have this zigzag one. However, look at this lace. They have lace front with it. I love that. I couldn't believe it. They have both. It's a double mono and a lace front. That's great. So if the wind blows, you still won't be able to see a seam. That's pretty good thinking. Another thing about this double mono, it is so soft. If you have hair loss on top, it's very, very comfortable. Look at this color. It's a warm brunette, but then it has these lighter highlights, and they're blonde, but not blonde. They're just a really dark blonde, almost caramely, and not red though. She is not a layered piece. See, I mean, not really. So you just get it and you wet it. You can wet it. But I think she's cute like that. And then you could even put a clip back here. And then if you want to do over here this way, and you could cut a light bang and thin it. Let me read her measurements, but first, from hairline to the tip of my chin is 8 inches and my neck is 4. That way you can kind of get an idea on where the bottom will fall on you. Okay, let's go take a look at this gorgeous color out in natural lighting. I can't set it down for me to do a turn real quick. All right, guys, I hope that helped. Like and subscribe. Bye.